So currently in Strapi, there is an issue with dynamic zones saving similarly named components. And in this GIF that being displayed right here will show you what's happening. So this guy, he creates another component in his dynamic zone, puts in a title, then he has a component inside that component, puts an image, and then some other things, then hit save, and the image disappears. So I think I have somewhat of an explanation as to what is going on. So I then read another um, bug report right here, what I found, and describes this issue with same name, and I'm having a similar problem here with this error that's blasting me in the face. So the reason why this error is happening is I have a frame 6 text element that's a component, because there's only one text element besides main text. There's also another text element. I was like, you know what, I'll just call it text. I put stuff in here, and then it has a boolean value, and hit save, and then it disappears again. But it does exist in the database. I can confirm this. I then go to query this, right? And I get this 500 error, invalid populate field, expected relation, got rich text. Now, the reason why that happened is because if we look at frame 2 in my dynamic zone, we have a text element that actually is a rich text element. So what's happening is on this 6th element, when it was querying the text, it was expecting to find text, but it found a component instead and threw me an error, which is somewhat reasonable, because for dynamic zones, because it's trying to map just the text part of this to these elements. The workaround is just to name this text 6 for me personally, because I ID'd the different components I have, so I can just do text 6, and I know for a fact it's going to be differently named than the other text elements in the rest of this what's it called, dynamic zone. That's the problem, and why I think these two are related. In fact, in this one, they describe other possibly related problems. Anyways, that was my explanation. Thanks for listening.